Hi, my name is Cheryl Ann L. Domingo, student from BEd 3B, and this is my reflection video. Education in the 21st century is very different from the traditional way of teaching. Students today need more than just knowledge. They need skills that will help them survive and succeed in a fast changing world. As a future teacher, I see myself not just as someone who teaches, but as someone who inspires, guides, and supports learners. I believe that my role is to create a classroom where students feel safe to express themselves and explore their ideas instead of giving all the answers. I want to guide them in discovering knowledge on their own. I also want to connect lessons to real life situations so that students can see the value of what they are learning. To become an effective teacher, I will follow important principles. I will practice student centered learning by listening to my students and considering their needs. I will be flexible and open to new teaching strategies. I will use technology to make lessons more engaging. I will also encourage teamwork and communication inside the classroom. Most importantly, I will continue learning so I can grow as a teacher. Being a 21st century teacher is not easy, but it is meaningful. I want to help students become confident, critical thinkers who are ready to face the future.